Vaibhav asked minimum CGPA for internships. Basically, most companies have it at 7 cutoff. If you have it 8, and few companies have no CG cutoff, they say that you should just have no active backlogs. And my friends from other college, actually in NIT Warangal, like CGPA, every semester is important. Even first year counts. There's nothing like that, Jatin.
Regarding the number of clubs, guys, it's your preference. Like, keep your academics priority and see if you can manage the time with the number of clubs you can join. Like, I personally joined in 2, association and IG. So it depends on you guys. Like, if you can manage, you can join in as many clubs as you wish. It's really great. The experience will be so good and fun. Try to join the clubs and association.
Yeah, one of you asked how to learn coding skill besides the club assignments and test. Actually, all the assignment and the apprenticeship program will start from December, or means from the 4th semester, you can say. If you are interested in learning coding, you can go, you can start from HackerRank and start coding basic question. There is a warm-up there. So it consists of arrays and all, arrays for loop that you studied last year, DD and all. So from there you can start, and afterwards your DSA will start. Your next semester will start soon. So then you can pick those topics and start your preparation. So it is like that.
Many people asked about this first year continuation, especially for EC. Just focus on your PLE and PSCP. Other first year subjects aren't of much significance, maybe some part of M2. But yeah, majorly focus on PLE. Like you can refer to NISA Academy videos or whatever you like. Yeah, that's all in this holidays. That's what you can do.
Is area related to chips a good option? Regarding that question, it depends upon your interest. If you are interested towards hardware side, in your 2-1, if you like electronics very much, then going towards chips or processor thing is a very good option. Like, there are opportunities for everything regarding hardware and software. It's about what you like.
In addition to your preparations, always be on the lookout for opportunities online, because many a times we miss this in our acads and all. Like, even if you are developing interest towards core right now, start looking up on internships from November onwards, because most of the research internships which if you are planning to do a research internship under a prof, saying some IIT or IISc, then you have to apply very early. I think the process also closes by February. So pay attention to whatever subjects you have in your academics and try to explore how these subjects are actually used outside your curriculum. And once you get a hang of it, do some basic course or try mailing to profs. Okay. Because even if you have not decided fully at the moment, doing an internship will help you make a firm decision as to how should you proceed further in your career.
Somebody has asked what an internship is. So internship is basically any sort of a training program. So there are 2 different kinds of internships. One is paid internship, where you work with companies who pay you for the work you do, and they'll be guiding you, training you in the 2 months of your summer break after 3rd year. So we'll explain all this to you later in upcoming sessions, because this is an entirely different topic. We'll let you know about this. For now, just try to figure out what your interests are and where they lie, and try to align that with your career goals.
Not all can be in association, but association will be there for you guys.